My father started the business in 1978. I've got two younger brothers that helped me run this place, and we've been growing ever since. That family recipe of having an owner involved in everything that goes on a daily basis gives us a pretty good advantage. Operating in a team fashion gives us the ability to have no downtime in between departments as we're fixing the car. It really gives us an opportunity to be able to take advantage of, number one, efficiency, number two, quality. We want to be able to provide a good quality product as fast as we can. We have multiple things that we offer that our competition does not. From OEM parts to our guaranteed delivery date, we have 6 different quality control checkpoints throughout the repair process. We're constantly growing and building another shop. I'm really proud of our process and how we do things. I think we've figured out something special. We know what the people in the Midwest expect, and we do a good job of making sure we get that accomplished.